4th entry, he's locking the door. She texts him, let me see your hand.
I don't do that.
Nope. That's me, that's who it is.
Ow! Oh! Okay. I don't want to.
Show me your hands.
Hands in the air, you're gonna be tased.
It's me.
Get out of the way, get out of the way.
I gotta put my seatbelt on. So we're working our big file, and we got handed a little file. So on the way to check an address for our big file, we're gonna drive by and see if the little file's home at his girlfriend's. So he told Grandma he has 30 days, Grandma, and he always turns himself in. So let's see. He's gonna say we don't have the authority or we don't have the ability to take him to jail. I'm assuming he's probably going to do something like that. Half mile, we're going to turn right. Plus the directions are like A Street, in the alley, there's a Jeep. Find the Jeep, that's where the girlfriend lives. That's the instructions, that's the address we get. And we're expected to pull a rabbit out of her hat. Good thing we got a good hat. All right. We're in the middle of a fucking blizzard. Don't be nice to them. Fuck them.
You want me to go down this? Is there an alley?
Yeah, alley right there. The car's coming out.
There's a car coming out.
Is that a Jeep?
It's a Jeep. Gold colored Jeep with a little trailer.
It's because they're moving. Shit. Where did it come from?
Could have come from right here. Fresh tracks.
No, he had a trailer. No, it came from up here. Shit. Now I'm missing another glove. No, just go. Don't make him... What's he going to do? Make you back out?
Up by Giddles. You know where Giddles is on Government Way?
No. Not
Okay,
necessarily.
well, you know where the big forest cemetery is?
Yes.
Okay, there's a little grocery store right before that called Giddles, and it's right on the corner of Government and Harrison.
Uh-huh.
So if you take a right or head west
Right.
on Harrison, the next street over is A Street.
Correct.
On the right-hand side of the road, third house in is one, I believe is the address, is where he stays.
Well,
Because the cop was in that area last night, and he called me while we were out driving around. He said, I found his car. He has parked it on the other side of Government Way, and he was sneaking in. And as soon as he saw a cop car, he said he ditched me, and so he's in at that house. And I don't care what the people there say.
1-0.
You're cutting out.
No, it's okay. 1-0.
Some girl named Alicia, I believe. I don't know these people. I know nothing about them. But you can bet if he's hanging with them, they're the same kind of people that he is.
Well, what kind of person is he?
He's a drug addict.
Okay, what's he using?
I couldn't tell you. I'm going to say meth.
Oh, wow. How old is he?
He's, how old is Bo? 38?
Oh, so I'm looking at his driver's license.
Yeah, he's been doing this for a while. This is not his first rodeo.
And what kind of car is he driving?
It's a 2005 or 6 white Pontiac Grand Prix.
Yeah, that's the one on the application.
Yes. And everything he owns is in that car. And I don't know, all the cop told me was that they found it on the other side of Government Way. And when I came home from work tonight, even in this snowstorm, I kind of drove around there a little bit, but I don't know where to look. I just know where that house is.
Okay, but he'll be in that one.
Now, if you go down the alleyway, if you go past A Street, and you'll see a red Jeep kind of parked at a slant, there's an alleyway right there. If you go down that alleyway and you look on your left-hand side when you go there, there's like a little yellow, creamy, yellowish barn. You know, those sheds that people buy and put in their yards.
But the house is on A Street or the house is on B Street?
No, that's the state same house. If you go down the alleyway, his car will be parked either out there, and if there's a Jeep, that's the girl that he's staying with.
What kind of Jeep?
It's I don't know. Chase told me what the name of it is. It's not the little boxy kind. It's like the SUV kind, and it's not a newer, but it's not an old beat-up one either.
What color is it? What color?
It's a dark green, I think, or blue or black, but it's dark. And they park in the backyard. There's like a bunch of junk back there in that little shed.
Okay. You're gonna turn right here. So the house on the right-hand side, if you're going north on A Street.
Yeah, you'd be going south on A Street, off of Harrison.
But it's on the other side of the. No, it's south of the cemetery.
Well, we were just up there last night, and the cop drove by it, because we thought it. No. I don't know. Anyway, it's the third house from the corner on the south side of Harrison, on the west side of A Street, and there's a big ceiling fan out on the front porch.
So when I'm on Harrison, do I turn right or left on A Street?
You're going to turn left on A Street off of Harrison.
Okay, so it's between Harrison and Summit?
I don't know where Summit is.
Summit is the next block. That's the next block south.
Before the cemetery.
That's the next block south.
Okay, so yeah, so when you turn at the stoplight, Giddle's grocery store is a little tiny store. It's right there on the corner.
Right.
Then you'll take your first left is A Street.
Okay.
And it's the third house on the right. It's like a little whitish, yellowish house, and it's got a front porch, a full front porch, and it's got a ceiling fan out on. It's a covered front porch. It's got a ceiling fan out there, and they got like a bunch of lawn furniture or something on the porch. And they have that place lit up like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, we drove right past that. All right, and so what does he have a job or anything?
Oh, hell no. Yeah, his job is running drugs from what I'm hearing.
Am I making a right up here?
Eventually.
That's why he said he won't turn himself in or he won't show his face, is because he's going to get life. Well, I thought
it's $1,000 bail. It's not even a felony warrant, is it?
I don't know. I just know that the PD, the police officer I talked to the other night, Welch, he said he just picked up another felony because he didn't go to court on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Right.
So he said he picked up another felony for that.
Do we have a recent picture of him, or does he have Facebook or anything?
I might have one on my phone. You want to give me your phone number and I'll see if I can pull one up and I'll text it to you?
Yeah.
I'm just so aggravated right now. I spend all my time crying because I'm the dumbass to put the money.
Well, if I would see, we have a lot more leniency than law enforcement. We could actually go in the house if we know he's in there.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, we don't need warrants.
Oh, nice. Okay, phone number.
509.
Okay, so I will pull one up and then I will text it to you.
And this is where he's staying?
Yes, as far as we know, that is where he's staying, because that's where he was the other night. Christmas Day, he was here. See, I didn't know all this crap was going on or what was in his little brain. He was here for dinner on Christmas Day, and he had my son take him up there and drop him off, and he dropped him off right by the Giddle's grocery store.
Right.
He said he wouldn't let me go to the house wherever he was staying. He just said, oh, just drop me here, I'll walk.
All right, we're going to drive by it. We actually were driving around here a minute ago. And
I was up that way about, 45 minutes ago.
What did you see? Anything?
I did not see anything.
So
Almost got in a head-on collision, so I decided maybe I should go home.
So his car's got to be here for him to be here.
His white car or that Jeep.
Well, where would he dump his white car?
On any side road out there. It's hard telling.
All right, the yellow house with the ceiling fan. This house right here. Don't stop.
So you're by there?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you go down the alleyway and look in the backyard of that house, if there's a dark Jeep and his white car, he is absolutely in that house.
But his white car has to be there.
Apparently, that's what my other nephew was telling me.
So the cops spooked him that one night. What?
I don't know if they spooked him or he just saw a cop because he knows he's wanted. And I've been trying to Facebook him and message him and beg him, please, you know, turn yourself in. You're not doing anybody any good, especially me. You're stressing me out.
There's a no, keep going, keep going. So there's that dark Jeep is here. It's covered in snow. There's somebody outside shoveling the snow.
Who is it? Is it a male?
Yeah, it's a guy.
Male, dark jacket. Can't tell.
He wears a dark jacket and he's a little teeny tiny thing. He might weigh 100 pounds if he's lucky.
Would he be shoveling snow?
The car.
Oh yeah.
The car's
He shovels snow around here.
Yeah, we don't know if he parked his car somewhere else or.
Yeah, because that's what the cop said he did last night. He parked it on the other side of government. And he got called to another call, so he had a couple of his officers keeping an eye on the car, and I never heard anything more from him last night.
You want to check this out?
But we don't know who all lives in.
Apparently, there's 2 girls. One's name is, what did he say, Haley? Yeah. If he's a little tiny, scrawny guy with baggy pants, it's probably more than likely him.
Is his
and
jacket?
He always wears a ball cap.
Yeah. Was he wearing
He had a
2?
hood on.
Was he wearing? Is his jacket like 2 color tone? Fucking a shit ton of snow. Hey, nice and quiet. Sneak up there. Stay to the far right. Hey, how you doing? Stop. Do not fucking move. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get on your fucking knees.
Hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. You fucking move, you're gonna get tased or shot, you understand?
My fucking cuffs came unpreloaded while I was fucking pulling them out here.
Hey, how you doing?
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, he's got a bunch of
Any weapons on you, dude?
I got a pocket knife in my pocket.
pocket knife. You got any needles on you or anything?
No.
Imagine that, you just shoveling doing a good deed.
ID?
Hey, that's you. Imagine that.
What's your problem?
My problem? My problem is I just saved your aunt $10,000. I don't have a problem. You're the one that told everybody to screw off.
He's got a bunch of shit. We need a bag or something to put this in.
Oh,
Where do you want to leave it? Do you live here? Do you want to leave this stuff here?
No,
what are you fucking around
What are
with?
you talking about? I ain't fucking around with
I hear
nothing,
my
dude.
handcuffs clicking.
Because I'm moving my fucking hands, dude. Fuck you.
He's gonna get booked with everything he's got.
I don't have nothing, so.
Yeah, well, there you go. Good for you.
Well, I need to.
Yeah.
We got a bunch more shit in here. So
Okay.
I don't have enough pockets or hands.
Yeah.
to
Well,
hold
let's
everything.
go to the car and do this at the car.
All right, I'm gonna put this shit back.
All right, anything you do between here and the jail that we constitute a problem, we can use all force up until lethal force. Do you understand, Bo?
Fuck you, dude.
You're gonna get
You're a
tased.
fucking punk for no
Relax.
reason.
Relax.
Fuck you. I
No,
ain't fucking
everybody
doing
gets
nothing,
the
so
same
fuck you.
speech. Everybody gets the same speech,
I
man.
don't care what
Relax,
you gotta
dude.
say, dude. You ain't gotta say another fucking word to me.
You just got a running history, man.
I got a running history?
Yeah.
Since
Remember,
when?
you weren't going back to jail. That's what you
the
told
fuck
your
is-
aunt.
No, I did not.
I just got off the phone with her.
I don't have all the messages. I never said that, so.
Okay. Well, we'll talk to her in a minute. So we'll have him separate his feet at the back, and we'll just empty at the Jeep here.
Put him in the front seat.
I'll probably sit in the back with him. Well, you got a seat back there? All right, we'll figure it out. Let's just get this shit out of his pockets. All right, we're gonna do this at the back. Yeah. Dude, what the
What
fuck?
are you guys doing? No, don't
We're gonna
even.
empty
Hey.
your fucking pockets. Is
No,
what.
you
You're gonna
guys are
get
gonna.
tased. You're gonna get tased.
No, you guys are
Knock
doing
off.
this on purpose, dude. Don't even fucking
We're not
do
doing.
it.
All we're gonna do is
Relax.
empty your pockets. Open the hatch so we can put all the shit in his pockets. In the back.
Right?
Yeah.
And there's weapons back there.
Yeah. Well, I don't think he's. That's stupid. We got a light. Did I throw my cuff bag in here? No. With the leg irons? No, I didn't, did I?
Get some money.
When was the last time you used? Somebody says.
Yeah.
What?
It's been a while.
Okay. You're not high right now or anything?
No.
Okay. Money. Front pocket's empty.
Yep, this one's empty. Pull that out.
We got something else here. How many knives you got, dude?
Couple pocket knives?
A couple? Nothing in your socks or nothing like that. We ain't cops, man. So you ain't gonna get charges or anything. Anybody need any of those keys? Where's
Yeah, if you can take those keys to the chicken house.
These ones?
Yep,
which keys? What are those keys to?
my car.
Oh, your Grand Prix. Where's your Grand Prix at?
Why does that matter?
Just wondering, man.
It doesn't now that you're in custody.
All right, I gotta double lock him.
He is not double locked.
No, that's what I'm saying. We gotta double lock him.
Can you drop this?
Yeah, go ahead. Watch your head.
You want to put him in here? In the middle?
Well, can you clear out this seat?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I'll sit on the other side of him. Yeah, didn't you run from the cops last night or something?
No, what are you talking about?
Coeur d'Alene was looking for you or following you or something and you ran from him?
No, I haven't even been in my vehicle.
That's what I heard. Your car's over on the other side of Government Way, right?
Maybe.
Step back, Corey. All right, he's double locked.
Okay. You can put him in if you want. I'll move his feet up here.
Okay. Oh, fuck, it's snowing. All right, you're gonna go in the back seat of this vehicle right here. Hang on one sec. Stand up for me. These aren't company vehicles. These are our personal vehicles.
Hey, what's the girl's name you want me to give this to so I give it to the right person? Or does it
Alicia.
matter?
Alicia.
Alicia. Okay. I'm gonna walk to the front door.
All right. If nobody's there, just leave it. Hi, Stacy. This is Scott with Quick Release Bail Bonds. Well, we got them. We were over at 1007 A Street. And we got Bo Miller. We got him. We're headed to jail. All right. Thank you. Bye. All right. Watch your knee. Not to put it a dick way or anything, but you're crying over spilt milk that you haven't spilt. You know what I mean? Until you're found guilty, there's nothing. You use public defenders or you use real attorneys?
I have money for real attorney. I was working on it.
You still working that job you listed on your application?
No.
Holy fuck is it coming down? We started the day there wasn't any snow on the ground at all. Oh hey, this is updated. Your other ID said cemetery on it. Here.
How can I help you? I got a surrender.
A bail revoke.
Bail revoke.
Yeah.
Is it a revoke or is it? No.
It's just the way they use it. That's what they call it, though. You have to use their when in Rome. When in Rome, you gotta abide by the Rome's rules. With all that snow, I'm never gonna be able to find that glove over there at Hauser's sister's house if it's fell up over there. Where did it go? They were. Huh?
Oh shit, he's got a bunch of property in the back of the vehicle.
Yeah, they won't let him take his knives. What else has he got?
He's got like $1 something in change.
You want your dollar and change?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, go get it. It's your car.
Here.
That's why you carry quart-sized Ziploc bags. I know that part was in the book.
Yeah.
Is that Eric big fat dude carry?
Huh?
Is that Eric big?
We did the best to pat him. We didn't take all his layers off. And we got, can you take lighters?
Yeah.
Okay. We got, what is this? Listerine, the mouth things?
Yeah,
We got 2 lighters, a couple bucks in change, tweezers. What are these keys? Was that the green Honda? Oh. The green Honda?
That gal you told me to give your other keys to at the house, she was there. I gave it to her. She hasn't.
Thank you. We don't have a bag or anything for his stuff. It's just kind of loose. Sorry. We're all out of sandwich bags. Yeah, because water had gotten in between the top surface and the phone, so none of my buttons were working.
I'm gonna pull your head off. All right. Go ahead, put your head on there.
Personal effects in
There you go. Here's the
Hey,
bag.
hey, that works.
Down with the baggie. His ID.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
And those are asp handcuffs, keyholes on both sides.
There.
Man, it was like the end of a torrential downpour out there with that snow. Everything's wet.
There we go. Gonna walk those ones.
I think those are the same ones.
You made it just in the nick of time.
Oh, good.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Alrighty, we're gonna go this way.
All right.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Have a good evening. Good luck to you. Good luck to you.
Bo.
Good luck, Bo. That was interesting. So video debrief there. I didn't want to let him I didn't want to give him any quarter because of his running thing and all that stuff that the aunt was saying.
Yeah.
So once we took him, we had to take him down, down, down. You know what I mean?
Okay.
You know, no fucking around, no, hey, turn around, put your hands behind your back, give him a chance to do anything. Just kind of overpower him and take control, get him on his knees so we're in a position of advantage. And then I held on to him while you handcuffed him just because the aunt saying he wasn't going back to jail and all that shit that he was threatening Annie with. So, fuck yeah, that was fucking fun.
Yeah.
Nothing like that to help pass the time with the real long file we're working. You gonna open the back, or are you just gonna stand out in the snow and get our gear more rusty?
We're Northwesterners. This is what we do. We stand in the snow.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and all that shit. There's his knives. What the fuck is he doing with all them knives? And they're all like the cheap dollar store knives. So now you got some knives for your knife collection, because you can't take knives into jail.